Welcome back to Silicophilic. As a power user, I rely on a few everyday Chrome tab tricks to stay fast and organized. Let me show you how to open, switch, pin group, search and restore tabs like a pro. Getting started with tabs, open and close tabs. Start by opening a new tab, just click the plus icon or press Ctrl+T. When you are done, close it with the X or simply hit Ctrl+W. Bring back what you lost. Reopen closed tabs. Next, to reopen a tab you just closed, press Ctrl+Shift+T key combination. You can repeat the same to bring back more tabs. Now to switch between tabs, click on any tab or press Ctrl+Tab to move forward. Keep important tabs in place. Pin tabs. Now it's time to organize your tabs and keep the important ones in place. Start by pinning a tab. Just right-click on it and select Pin. Once pinned, the tab shrinks and stays fixed on the left, so you won't accidentally close or lose it while working. It's perfect for things you use all the time, like email, music, or your favorite websites. Rearrange your workspace. Move tabs. Now start arranging your tabs the way you like. If something feels out of place, just click and hold the tab, then drag it left or right to reposition it. You can place your most important tabs up front and move least important ones aside, making everything easier to find at a glance. Group your tabs smartly. Group tabs. To keep things organized, start creating tab groups. Right-click on any tab and select Add Tab to a new group, then give it a name and choose a color that makes sense to you. Once it's set up, just drag other tabs into the group or right-click and add them, so everything related stays neatly together. Find anything instantly. Power features. Now use Chrome's powerful tools. Click the tab search icon. Start typing to find any tab instantly. You can also use the address bar. To do so, click it, type @tabs, press space and search your tabs. Now if you want to select multiple tabs, hold Ctrl and click on different tabs. You can move or group them together. Work faster with keyboard shortcuts. Lost a tab? Don't worry. Just press Ctrl+Shift+T and it will instantly come back. Need a new tab? Hit Ctrl+T. If you are done with one, close it quickly with Ctrl+W. To move between tabs without touching your mouse, use Ctrl+Tab. And if you want to jump straight to a specific tab, press Ctrl+1 to 8 or use Ctrl+9 to go directly to the last tab. Final tips to stay organized. Before you go, here are a few simple habits that make a big difference. Keep your most used tabs, like email or music, pinned so that they are always right where you need them. Group your tabs by task, whether it's work, study, or personal browsing. To keep everything neat and easy to manage, if things ever get out of hand, don't scroll endlessly. Just use the tab search to find what you need in seconds. And once you get comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, you will notice you hardly need your mouse at all. So that's how you can manage Chrome tabs easily. A few simple tricks can make a big difference once you start using them. If this video helped, consider liking and subscribing for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.